So what I did was I wired a remote key fob switch to the battery to a power adapter. And this is an indoor power adapter that I used for another computer that we lost the power supply for. But the thing about it is it's tunable. That controls the accessories from the battery. It's split from the system. It also controls the horn, but it's linked. It's all linked to that one battery. It's got 2 computer fans in here. I try to keep it cool. This is the governor. How do you do, governor? I can't say that without making a joke. So this is the governor. So you can turn the power of the motor up and down. The good thing about that is if it's for a kid, you can keep this locked up. Keeping them from, going to space to the moon and back. So, all right. So I got the key fob. Turn that on. Everything kicks on. Like I said, you can turn the accessories all the way off. I never saw that before. The light flashes when it loses power. The headlights. It's hooked up to a. It's hooked up to a USB power adapter on the front. So it's got 2 USB plugs, and one is going to the camera here. Crazy. The kid's gonna love it, man. I'm just saying. So, all right. So that's that. It's got the horn in there. When you leave the hood open, the horn is 110 decibels. It's way quieter with this hood, with this thing closed, whatever you want to call it. But that's a Harbor Freight gun case, basically. So I hooked up tank tracks to this thing. I used an old style Manco manual brake line, and then I have the hydraulic brake on the other side. Looks about the same, but it's way more reliable to have hydraulics on the handbrake, I would say, and it's kind of cool because it clips in. It's kind of like a parking brake. The horn works. On and off switch for the front power system, which also includes the USB. I don't know if it turns off the camera. Let me check. I'm going to turn this off. I think it turns off the camera too, which is sweet. Yeah, it turns off the accessory power up front. Yeah, the camera's back on now. So, then I just got to weld down the old brake pedal over here. I got to customize this. That's just bike forks that it's connected to, but I'm going to use the tubing. It's super light. It looks kind of cool. I'm just probably going to connect it there. Then I got to attach the seat, put the floor in, and we are good to go almost.
Power on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, 8, 9, 5, 1.
All right. That's the Gokart. Bringing it all the way out west.